everybody. Meteorologist AJ Colby here. Happy Friday, everybody. Here we are at the end of another week, another summer week. Boy, summer is dwindling fast here. It's kind of a humid day today. There are some showers and thunderstorms in the area. And amid the rain and thunder, sunshine breaking out in some spots. So what a day it has been. The weekend looking pretty unsettled right now, but it is not going to be a washout. Soggy at times, yes, but we'll be able to dodge raindrops, and from time to time, we'll have some dry slots in there, which will give you an opportunity to get out and about and maybe get a few things done. But yes, it will definitely be raining from time to time. No question about that. Speaking of rain, we'll have a look at radar now. You can see some showers and a few thunderstorms showing up after the main batch of rain earlier this morning, pulling up into Canada, pushing up into London there in Ontario, north and east of Ashtabula and Lake counties, and also some thunder out here towards Sandusky. There could be a couple of renegade showers popping up, perhaps some thunder down toward Parma. That's where we're seeing development in some of the inflamed cumulonimbus clouds in the area right now. Looks like Strongsville might get into some shower activity here within the next 10-15 minutes. Also some showers pushing through southern Lake County, perhaps south of Willoughby Hills, maybe a spritz or a sprinkle there. But there will still be potential now, I would say, going through the rest of this evening, that some of us are going to get thundered on, and potentially with some heavy rain. The air is all juiced up again. We've got some very high humidity, dew point levels out there approaching 70, which is in the tropical category. A live look now from the crib cam, and you can see some of those cumulonimbus clouds out there, at least stratiform clouds at the very least. And of course, the water and the waves, the wind action, will be much higher during any passing thunderstorm activity. So if you are planning on heading out of the lake, keep an eye to the sky, boaters. As always, south winds becoming southwest, 10 to 15 knots, waves 2 feet or less. I think we're going to crank those waves up a little tomorrow as southwest winds continue to howl with gusto, 10 to 15 knots. And the water temperature right now off Cleveland is 74 degrees. Here's a look from outer space now, across Ohio, and you can see some breaks in the overcast out there. And those sunny breaks providing the sun an opportunity to cook the atmosphere a little bit. So some thundery weather is not going to be out of the question here for the rest of the afternoon. Most of the action, though, is, as we said, over southern Ontario. There are some storms out over Lake Michigan right now, and also some thundery weather. We're starting to see the first few vestiges of thunderstorms firing up in the heat of the day, even here in northeast Ohio. Meantime, Hurricane Ernesto is spreading open an eye out there. Ernesto has its sights on Bermuda, Category 2 on the Saffir-Simpson scale. The motion toward the north and northeast, and some of those maximum sustained winds to 100 miles per hour. So that's a pretty powerful Category 2 storm. Ernesto still growing in strength. Let's check radar for the region now and see the thunderstorms stretching out of Sault Ste. Marie down toward Pittsburgh, and also some storm clusters north of Milwaukee right now. That's where all the action is. So how about maps in motion? We'll start with the current map tonight. You can see the warm cold front combo pretty much over Detroit, and that will lift very gradually overnight toward the north and east. By tomorrow morning, the cold front slides to the east of greater Cleveland and moves into the eastern counties, but then the front hangs up, becomes quasi-stationary through tomorrow afternoon. So we have to put in the potential for some showers and thunderstorms. You can see tomorrow night that front actually swings just a little to the west. So with westward creep, if you will, on that system, we have to keep the unsettled forecast going through the weekend. Sunday morning, still showing the cold front edging eastward into northwest PA, and then finally swinging through by Sunday evening, even as a secondary front sets up to the north and west. So let's check out Futurecast radar, and you can see the overnight diminution in rain and storm activity, and then firing back up in the heat of the day Saturday. So the best chance for dry weather will be through the overnight tonight into the morning hours on Saturday. By Saturday afternoon, the thunderstorms flare once again. Some of the storms could be strong, and perhaps some isolated severe thunderstorm activity for tomorrow afternoon will have to be watched. That all should quiet down on into Sunday, even though there'll be the potential for some showers and storms. It doesn't look like anything strong or severe as of this point. So our forecast for tonight, showers and thunderstorms will taper off, becoming partly cloudy and just muggy. The overnight low near 70 with a south wind at 5 and 10. For tomorrow, the breeze picks up a little bit more, partly sunny skies, a humid day, showers and thunderstorms developing again in the afternoon. We'll give it a 60% probability for rain and storms right now. As we look ahead in the extended forecast, Sunday, 90% chance of rain. So rainy periods on Sunday, cooler though, high temp 78. And then if all the weather systems behave themselves, rain tapers off on Monday morning. A shower early, then partly to mostly sunny skies late in the afternoon. High on Monday, 75, and even cooler on Tuesday. I put a 30% in. I would strike that. I think Tuesday is going to be dry. Mostly sunny, 73, down to 55. So comfortable. Tuesday, beautiful, actually. And Wednesday, another gorgeous day with bright sunshine and a high of 75 degrees. Not too shabby overall, even though the price we pay for that gorgeous weather is an unsettled weekend forecast. Anyway, everybody, stay safe this weekend. Have a great weekend. And as always, appreciate you stopping by from the AJ Colby Weather Center. I am meteorologist AJ Colby, and have a great weekend.